To other news now, more than 24 hours after fire gutted two major business establishments in St. Andrew, firefighters were still at the scene trying to make sense of it.
Our reporter Jamaica Maitland has this primetime news follow-up.
From the 3 miles overpass bridge in St. Andrew, white smoke formed faint clouds over the Azan's Supercenter's warehouse and a Pure Ice factory on Ashanime Road on Tuesday. On the ground, firefighters were on their second shift change. A senior firefighter told us that they've been working through the night. Firefighters are finally able to catch their breath after fighting a blaze on Ashanime Road for more than 24 hours, relieving each other in shifts. Now behind me, it's what's left of the inventory that Azan Supercenter was storing for its Crossroad location. The CEO told me that they recently had delivered Christmas decor and the warehouse was also storing household items. All of that has been reduced to ash and cinder.
My wife, my son, my daughter and myself, the amount of tears we have shed is as much water as what the fire brigade put into this building. But God is good.
His shoulders rising and falling with each sentence, CEO of Azan Supercenter Milad Azan revealed that the company just unloaded a Christmas shipment. He explained the ripple effect it'll have on distribution.
My retail customers at Crossroads, they will be fully satisfied. Unfortunately, I have a massive distribution set throughout the country. Those are the ones that are depending on me for merchandise, and we have millions of orders for them. But we are going to provide them with, if it's even a portion of what they order, so that they will also see a Christmas.
Mr. Azan committed to keeping all of his staff despite the financial loss. Among them is Jay, who was trapped in the building.
I go on a window side to it, a grill window. I go there and start ball out for help, and some girl, but he then here start call some man, and the man them come try knock out the window and jam through the window.
What would you like to say to the people who help you?
Give thanks to them, and I'm glad somebody has said it.
As for Pure Ice Factory, TVJ News was not able to speak with management, but a senior firefighter told us that the property also had extensive damage. Investigators were unable to provide details about the cause of the fire. However, Divisional Command of the Kingston and St. Andrew Fire Brigade, Senior Superintendent Patrick Gooden, has promised to provide a comment at a later date. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.